Hello, it's Martin from PetPeePee. Here is another rug. Came to me from California. Silk Oriental rug. A gorgeous quality. One of the best. Fluffy, soft, saturated with a cat's urine odor and with a big yellow stain of the cats that urinating constantly in the same area over and over and over, and probably Mr. Rajid from California didn't even realize then the cat's doing it. It's in a dining room, and when you're visiting the dining room once a year. So this is what happened with this rug. I received these two rugs for Mr. Rajid in California, and they was smelling so bad from cats. Let me show you how I cleaned the rug. The secret of this cleaning process, because cleaning a silk rug, especially when it's saturated with the urine odor, is to break down chemically the cleaning product the customer used and the pee-pee and make it disappear from the world, because nobody liked the pee-pee in his house, especially on $12,000 Oriental rug. You can see the yellow stain very clearly. I cannot reveal all the cleaning process, but I would like to show you one of the mystery of the natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea. What happened? Would this cleaning product react with the pee-pee and the cleaning product the customer used? Take a look how the product reacts. I flood the rug with a special cleaner, then it is eatable, odor-free, a blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then I put it together. This cleaning product flood the rug on the top gently, and the vacuum from under the rug will do the mystery of sucking everything through the rug. You can see the steam, the reaction that's coming between my cleaning product, the organic cleaning product, and all the chemicals that saturate in the rug, deep inside. This steam break down the pee-pee, the chemicals the customer use, and the vacuum that's from the bottom extract everything through the rug. This cleaning process this cleaning process repeat itself many times until the tube is clear, no more reaction in the rug. I know I finished the cleaning process. The rug will be dry on the floor flat, and when it dry completely, I ship it back to Mr. Rajid in California. This is the tube that show me what's coming from the rug in real time. Do you see all the soap on the top? This is the cleaner the customer use, all the soap. Enjoy the videos. Thank you. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.
guaranteed to tune.